Alright, trade recap for last night. We took this. Wait, hold on. It was long, and then as price was running, had a nice little retap, so got in there. Insanely perfect TP, to be honest. Insanely perfect. So this was a reaction off of sweeping an imbalance with, sweeping a draw of liquidity with so much imbalance above, like a stupid amount of imbalance above all this. Then what we did, we swept this draw here. At the same time, ES had already taken all this. We had our little reaction. And I was just trying to capitalize on the reaction bullish before the move bearish, or before the move going like this and this. So we could either, obviously, we will always get a reaction from the draw. And because it's such a big draw with so much imbalance above, we can expect a decent reaction. I had TP here at the equilibrium of the range, which ES hit perfectly. And what happened was it could either go like this, fill this imbalance up here, and then retrace, fill this imbalance below, and then continue higher. Or, as it did, fill this imbalance and go lower, which it did. So, yeah. So we swept. We had one confirmation here, and then two confirmation here, broke out. I got in here. Then what it did, it retapped here, broke out. So I got in more contracts, wrote it up to, it was really good price action. So just wrote it up to ES's 50%. Then we had shorts, right? So then we fill all this imbalance here. We come back, fill this imbalance up here. But then we have imbalance below. So we move through that, creating this imbalance. We tap here, short, but then that's only one confirmation. We go bullish again, get one bullish entry, and then we tap here, so we're bearish, inverse this last gap, bearish, bearish, bearish. And then we get a second bearish entry here, but then we don't get a candle below. Then we get a retap, and we do get a candle below. So this right here could have been a quick 1-to-1 with trying to continue the move lower, obviously. Then what we get after it is still more chop. So that wasn't the actual final move, even though we got double tap kind of confirmation with all imbalance fulfilled. So then what do we get? You want another position? Right? One tap here, boom, boom, boom. That's only one tap. You could consider it a second tap off of this, but it actually doesn't ever close below. If you took that, then it closed below, but that doesn't close below. Boom. This is just, I don't know, retap, just more fucking manipulation. Bearish. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. Boom, boom, nothing, 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 nothing really. And finally, this is what I'm saying though. These are the markets where you don't get a retracement when you need it. Here, we finally broken below the range here. We finally come below and we're finally moving bearish. And there's just no retracement. Like, what is that, a 46? So potentially there's a 1 minute there. Not even a 1 minute, like, it's just insane. Probably a 2 minute or a 3 minute maybe. But then second entry, yeah, we got one here. Boom. Oh, okay. And then what we get is a retap. And then the bearish move out. So on this break here. Wow, you'd actually have a really good position there. Yeah, and then we're just continuing lower into imbalance. Just down into this. So yeah, that would have probably been the better one. But this isn't bad either. Because we know we'll get a reaction, so, you know, it's alright. But, yeah, that's her.